Okay, so once I have found my graphic, I want to go ahead and open up my Mockup PSD file. And yes, it is supposed to be PSD. This is for Photoshop. It opens up in a layered format. Let me open this. Alright, so it'll look like this. It'll have multi-layers. I want to go ahead and I'm going to take off the logo that was right there. You can see it. I want to open up the iPhone and see that it has this icon right here. That means that it is a smart object. I'm going to double click on it and it's going to open up into another file here. Wait, I think I clicked the wrong one. Let's try that again. Okay, it's the shadow. Background. Okay, so I lied. Here it is right here. It's gonna say here's the replace this screen. So you're gonna double click on this. And here is the screen that is on the actual phone. I'm gonna take my file and place it here. So once this loads, I'm actually gonna move this up. Save that. And I want it to take the whole screen. So I'm gonna copy paste it again. And we're gonna put it, since this is a here we go. Alrighty, and that's what I want my phone screen to look like. So I'm going to command save. You're gonna see it saved down here. And I'm gonna open up to the iPhone here, and it seems like this file is on top of this one, so it's covering it up. I'm going to go ahead and take off those screens and show my screen. And there is my beautiful mock-up right there.